In today's video, we're going to make our own lip balm and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. I get seriously chapped lips, especially during the winter season. They crack, bleed, and just look terrible. But this lip balm not only prevents chapped lips, but can actually heal them, leaving your lips soft and smooth. And of course, the ingredients are natural. All right, let's get to it. We need 12 lip balm dispensers, 1 double boiler, 1.5 ounces of beeswax. Beeswax is moisturizing, antibacterial, and can reduce inflammation. 1 ounce of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and also supports against inflammation. 1 ounce of coconut oil. Coconut oil is moisturizing and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. Essential oil I like to use is 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is an antioxidant and is antiseptic. It can improve blood circulation and support against inflammation. It also possesses a deliciously sweet smell. Melt beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil in a double boiler. Stir occasionally. Let oils cool and then add lemongrass essential oil and stir. Add mixture to lip balm dispensers. Place in fridge and let harden. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool and dry space. This recipe makes 12 lip balms. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.